correction to some work we did a few months ago on our rear transmission tunnel carpet here. We glued the whole thing down and didn't really realize how all this goes together. What we didn't realize is that this piece here, which is the hood stick cover, has these little grommets, and those are for press the dot studs that are mounted to the rear deck. So how this works when it's all together, I've actually already installed two on here, is this part of the carpet folds back. This folds back, and then these two grommets go over the studs, like so. Very easy to do. And then this comes back down over the top, and we have these lift the dot little snaps that fit in place on here and actually hold all this down in place. So we're gonna have to pull the carpet back a little bit and install those studs and the snaps into place, and then we should be good to go.
That was a good one.
All right.